If you are like most people, you have probably heard a lot about AI lately. Some of it sounds exciting, it's like it's going to change everything. But some of it sounds a bit overwhelming, like it's going to take our jobs or replace the way we think. Here's the truth. AI is already changing the way we live and it's moving fast. But it's definitely not here to replace you. It's here to support you, to help you stay focused and bring your ideas to life. In this video, I want to show you a different way to look at AI, not as a threat, but as a tool to unlock the best version of you. Let's zoom out for a second. This shift we are going through with AI at the moment is actually not new. For most of human history, we passed down knowledge through stories. We started with stories around the fire, then came writing, and all of a sudden, ideas could last beyond memories. And with books, now we could share knowledge, not just save it. Fast forward a few hundred years and the internet shows up. Now, all that knowledge is everywhere, available at any time at your fingertips. But here's the problem. Too much information. Try Googling something simple. Something like how to sleep better, for example. And you get buried in options, ads, and endless articles. It's just too much. That's where AI comes in. AI isn't just the next step in how we store the knowledge. It's the next step in how we use it. Instead of digging through tons of search results, AI meets you where you are. It talks with you. It asks you questions. It learns what you actually need. It's like having a personal guide who's read everything but still listens to you. And honestly, that's a total game changer. So what makes AI different from everything that came before is that it can understand what you need and respond to you in real time. Let's go back to the sleep example. Say you want to know which type of magnesium is best for you to help you fall asleep. If you Google it, you will get 10 million search results. But if you ask AI, it might come back to you with another question. Things like, are you already taking any kind of magnesium? That's not a search, that's a conversation. AI doesn't just throw information at you. It asks, it listens, and adjusts. And the more you use it, the better it gets at helping you. Whether you are planning or writing, AI can help you think clear and move faster. Here's something I find really powerful. If you think about it, AI isn't just a tool, it's actually a reflection of us, all of us. Every time you use it, you are tapping into the combined knowledge of millions, maybe even billions of people. All the thinkers, teachers, doctors, and creators who came before us. All the ideas, insights, and knowledge captured in language, now available in seconds. But it does get deeper than that. AI isn't just storing knowledge, it's learning how to understand, how to connect, and how to deliver it right when you need it. When you use AI, you are tapping into the best of what humanity has learned, past and present. It's like having access to a global brain. It's not some alien thing. It's actually us as a collective mind of humanity, simply organized, trained, and ready to help. And honestly, I find it to be fascinating. So let's bring this back to you. If AI really is this powerful, what can you actually do with it today? Honestly, a lot more than what you can think. You can plan dinners, you can write better messages, emails, organize your thoughts, turn ideas into stories, all with just a few simple prompts. It's like having a creative assistant who is always ready to help you. And no, this isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about unlocking it, especially when you're tired or you just don't know where to start. And the more you use it, the more natural it feels. Here's something most people don't realize. AI isn't just getting better, it's getting better faster, not in a straight line, but in exponential jumps. Let me explain what that means in real terms. Imagine I give you $1 today, and that dollar doubles every day. So on day 1, you'd have $1. Day 2, you'd have $2. Day 3, you'd have $4. Sounds low, right? But by day 21, you are at $1 million. That's how exponential growth works. It feels slow until it suddenly doesn't. And AI is following that exact same curve. Some experts say that approximately every 3.3 months, AI tools are doubling in speed, quality, and affordability. The AI you use today, in 5 years' time, it will be 1 million times more powerful. That's how fast this thing's moving. So if you feel like you are behind, you are not. You are actually early. And the people who start now, they are going to be the ones who grow with it, not scramble to catch up later. There is a quote I heard that really stuck with me. AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI, it might. And honestly, I think that's absolutely true. This isn't just some shiny new tool. AI is quickly becoming a foundational skill, like sending emails or knowing how to search online. But the difference? AI doesn't just help you move faster. It helps you think better. It helps you communicate clearer. It helps you solve problems you couldn't solve before. That's why I believe the people who understand how to work with AI, even just the basics, are going to have a serious advantage in the coming years. And those advantages, it's not about replacing others. It's actually about making yourself more valuable. So here's what I hope you take away from all this. AI isn't something to fear. It's something to actually explore. You don't need to be tech. You don't need to get it all right away. You just need to be open. Because this isn't really about learning a new tool. It's about unlocking the version of you that's been waiting to come through. The version of you with clarity, ideas, and energy to move forward. That's what AI can help you do. And to be honest, this is part of what this channel is all about. Helping everyday people with jobs, family, business lives like you and me, learn how to use AI in real life, to think clearer, to create faster, to live better. So if that speaks to you, stick around, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And whatever you do, please don't ignore this moment, because you are not behind. You are right on time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.